Hello, good evening, everyone. So, my name is Mamata Chaudhari. I am a mechanical engineer. I have passed out in 2018. Okay. After that, I have joined here in 360 DGTMG for data science, right? I have already worked 1.5 years as a project engineer in my core field, in mechanical engineering field, right? And then I moved to the Hyderabad and I decided to do the data science course, right? So, yeah, the 360 DGTMG, that is my institute. There I have done my certified data science course. Okay. After that, I have done 2 to 3 projects, right? They're providing the projects to us, right? Understand how to work in a real time, right? In a real time projects. So they provide me the projects. I have done 3 projects, right? On the basis of that, they give me the internship also. Okay, they provide me the internship. In that internship, I have to handle the projects. I have to handle the like I have to do the analysis of the data, right? I have to give insights from the data, what I have understood from that data, right? How the customer, how I going to help to customer to solve his issue, right? With the help of that data. This is the thing the 360 DGTMG teach me, right? After that, they took my resume, right? They find out like I'm ready for that. So they took my resume and they are going to send me that resume to the particular company, right? If they are getting any kind of requirement for the data analyst or the data scientist, they are going to refer me, right? So like this, I am doing, and then one day the company came like Robo Silicon, right? They sent my resume there. So the people from Robo Silicon, they shortlisted, right? So after shortlisted me, they fixed to take my interview, right? My interview in a 2 phases. Firstly, on the basis of the project, right? What is the project? Okay, firstly, I tell you what is the Robo Silicon company. Robo Silicon is the manufacturing based company. Okay, they are doing the mining. Okay, you know the mining, yeah, in the Hyderabad. Okay, in the Hyderabad itself. So they are providing some 3 sort of material. Okay, so for that, they want to do the analysis of the data, right? To identify which of the customers, right, are not placing the order. What is the reason, right? And some sort of analysis they want to do, right? And that is the step-by-step procedure. Like means firstly they want to do the analysis, then they want to move towards the AI part, right? So that is the step-by-step procedure. So on the basis of that, they took my interview. They asked me how many projects you have done, right? What is you have learned from that project? What is your work in that project, right? Which of the things you know? Okay, so I said like I know coding in a Python, then the Tableau for visualization, Power BI, I know MySQL, I know, right? So they are keep asking, right, which is the thing you preferred for the analysis, Tableau or Power BI, right? This sort of question they ask. And then after that, they give me one scenario, right? If this is the issue, right, what is your next step? What you are going to do? What kind of analysis you are going to follow, right? This is my first round of interview, right? And on the same day, they decided to take my second round of interview, right? So they take my second round of interview after 10 to 15 minutes. In that you can consider as a HR round. They just ask me about the manufacturing, right? Because the industry is from the manufacturing background. So they want to know if I'm having certain kind of knowledge from that, right? That means whenever you're not from the coding background, if you're from the other background, that is also considered, right? So if some of my friends will be like having fear, I am not from the IT background, I am not the fresher, is it, if I'm going to do the data science, is there anything that I will, is there any chance to get a job? Yes, friends, you would definitely get a chance, right? Because the examples in front of you, I'm a mechanical engineer. I have experience in my core field, but then also nowadays, I'm working as a data analyst, right? So they got selected me in a Robo Silicon company, right? So there I have to do some for 2 to 3 months, means 3 months of internship, right? And then they will provide me the full-time role, right? But in internship also they are going to treat me as an employee, right? Not as an intern. Internship, because the scenario is totally different. That is not a total IT based company, right? So they want to teach me how the procedure is going on, what is the thing, right? I also have to learn some new things, right? That is the reason I have to do 3 months internship, and they will, after that they will just give me, they will just what we say, they will just provide a full-time employment to me, right? They will treat me as an employee. Okay. Now the next thing is like when I was doing the data science course, right? So I was doing the assignments and all everything, right? But that time I was like, oh, this is the enough. This is the stuff is enough for me to do the job, right? But when I'll go to the project, the scenario is completely different, right? That time the 360 peoples are really helping me, like Sharad sir, Nitin sir, Bharani sir, all they are means they are really helpful people. They are helping me, right, how to understand what is the next step I have to give, right? Means if I ask them, they will be ready to guide me every time. Okay, so that is the best thing for this. Okay, and I'm really happy to join this institute and make the decision to do a data science course from this institute, right? And also I got placed from only the institute, right? They just only referred me, right? Every time they are giving my resume to other companies, so I'm really thankful to them, right, uh to give me the chance to prove myself. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you are going to prepare for interview now, just one thing you have to keep in mind, friends, you have to clear your basic properly, right? They are not expecting you, see, they are considering us as a fresher, right? So they are not expecting from us like we are first day will join and we'll do everything, right? From start to end, from model building to deployment, right? But at least our basics should be clear, right? Means some, if they are teaching us, for example, if they are telling us what is R square, adjusted R square, right? What is the what we say, what is the statistic, at least we know that, right? So please concentrate on the basic part. Okay, once your basic will clear, you are automatically going to learn after that, right? The next thing, right? That is, means firstly concentrate on the basic, because I have faced so many interviews, right? 2 to 3 interviews before that I have given. Everyone is asking me for the basics. Mostly the question is on the base of the basics, right? So means they're checking our knowledge, what we understand, right? So please concentrate on that, right? And yeah, our institute is conducting some value added sessions, right? So please attend those sessions as well, because now if we are going to learn those things now, that is the positive for our resume, right? They are going to see, yeah. For example, they are conducting the lectures for Power BI, right? Or for the Tableau. I don't know. I don't know is it necessary or not. But that time I have done that training, right? And that is the part. That is the part that impacted for my placement, right? They want the people who know the Power BI, right? So please don't miss any chance. If they are giving us any kind of a training, please try to join that training, right? That is the suggestion from me. Thank you so much. If you're facing any kind of question, please ask me how to prepare or what. I will answer your questions. Okay then. Thank you so much, friends. Thanks for your time.